If you don't know the components of what you're selling, how the hell can you sell it? That is PVC. You want that. When you see plumbing that's run with PVC, that is like all day long, that's a fantastic thing. And then look below the white. You see the black? That's cast iron. A lot of you are gonna have inspections where they say the cast iron pipes need to be replaced because they're blistering. That's normal. What do they do for that? They cut the cast iron out and replace it with PVC. Not a hard thing to do. Don't let deals die because cast iron's bubbling.
And how much would that cost? Like $5,000?
That's no. You're probably looking at $1,000 to get it all done. When you look to the left of that PVC, what is it though? What's the blue and the red?
Hot.
The hot and cold, and then what's next to it? The drain. So that's where your drain goes. And this one doesn't have it, so I'm gonna have to install it. But there should be a 220 over there so that the dryer can plug in.